A lot of the gaskets that you'll get from the other suppliers, they're tested out in 70-degree facilities where the reality of it is that's not where they're going to be used at. We get into the kitchens and you've got a 550-degree broiler just pushing heat down on your gaskets. You've got a fryer that's popping grease and popping oil, and it's just pushing that heat right into the cooler. That's why I love our gaskets, is that they are designed to withstand that. They're designed to be around those temperatures, to have that wear and tear and still hold up.
Our process is more efficient, which gives us a better production. We can control it with our high-tech welding machines. A lot of companies don't use those types of machines because of the cost, which gives us a better weld and a better gasket.
It all starts with the name Gaskets Rock, and it translates into an amazing corporate culture. When a customer is using Gaskets Rock, they are not just using one guy who's coming in to replace gaskets. They are getting an extraordinary team of individuals from an administrative standpoint, from a technical standpoint, from just an understanding of what you need as a customer. You have a team that is supporting you and providing you extraordinary customer service.
I walked into one store, they were in the middle of their inspections. I didn't know this walking in, and the general manager lit up when she saw me. She pulled me over to the inspector and she said, "Ha, you can't mark me on the gaskets now." And I had not done an inspection on her yet. I had not quoted her or anything like that, but the inspector saw me and saw who I was. And they know us. They know the reputation of our gaskets. And he looked at me and he said, "Well, I guess I'm not marking her on a single gasket."
A lot of times the OEM gasket that's on that equipment doesn't perform well. It doesn't seal really well. It doesn't last long. So there will be profiles out there that I'll see that, and then I'll work up a new profile to replace that. And I like to say it's OEM or better. Quite a few profiles now that we've redesigned that other people don't have.
Gaskets Rock means a lot, but it's a rock solid foundation from a corporate perspective that we take our customers very seriously. Everyone here, whenever the phone rings, you get a person to answer it. You're not getting a voicemail. You get someone to talk to, and you get answers, and you get anything that you need. We are here to make sure that you are serviced as a customer. And we value your business, and we value every single gasket that we install in any of your commercial kitchens.
We take that initiative to always strive to do better and also create things for the customer and the managing partner to make their equipment perform better and last longer.
With so much going on in a restaurant, our customers have extraordinary peace of mind that they never have to worry about gaskets.